So it's raining right now. Almond's ball is floating in the water. It's raining, and now we will call Almond to see his reaction. So Almond has arrived. Almond? Almond? What is happening? Why is water falling? You're doing fluke friends. You are going in circles. You are not bathing. This is why you are doing fluke friends. Why is water falling from above? We are not bathing you right now. Where is this water coming from? What is this, Almond? Can you understand? See, I have an umbrella. What is this? You know what is umbrella? You know what is happening now? It's raining. You're wiping your face. Almond, come outside. Yes, Almond has come outside. Almond is drinking the water. Almond is drinking the water from the rain. You have gone crazy now. See, you are again doing flu friends. Oh, you are jumping. Almond is jumping at the umbrella. He is looking at the umbrella. He cannot understand. Almond, no, leave the umbrella. That's not your toy. You want the umbrella. Whenever you see something new, you want it. You have become wet and now you are jumping at the umbrella. He's not interested in the rain anymore. The ball is just lying there. He's now jumping for the umbrella. Almond is barking at the umbrella now. He's trying, give me the umbrella. Everything is not your cue, Almond. Almond is standing in the rain. Yes, good boy, Almond. Almond is enjoying the rain. Almond's first time in rain. Almond is enjoying the rain so much, he's running around.
He's very happy.
We are also very happy. Almond, you like it? You are doing fluke friends again. It's cold. You like cold, right? Almond, are you happy? You love bathing? Are you happy right now? So much water is falling.
Almond.
Almond cannot understand what is happening. Almond is playing with the ball now. Almond, go. Play with the ball. Almond is still playing with the ball in the rain. Now Almond has gone crazy after getting wet in the rain. Now he's wiping with the towel. Not really wiping, he's biting the towel. I think he's trying to get the towel off himself. Haven't you finished wiping? You're happy? You're smiling? This is a new type of experience for you. This is not a bath. You're smiling, so happy. You liked it? You liked the rain? Okay, good boy, Almond. Yes, happy. Good boy. Almond, you remember the hair dryer? When we bathed you, you were so scared of the hair dryer. Today you got wet in the rain, so we again have to do the hair dryer. Almond, come. We'll dry you with the hair dryer. Come. Almond, come. Almond, why are you running away from the blow dryer? Come. Almond, come. You want to go away from the blow dryer? You will just stay here. You got wet in the rain, you have to get dry. You got wet in the rain, now you have to get dry. Why are you so angry now? When you were getting wet, that time you didn't remember that after this you have to get dry with the blow dryer. Now you are barking. You are barking at the hair dryer. Last time you were so angry. Now you are barking and jumping. Now you are attacking. You have become brave boy. You are doing so big jumps.